Hi, good day, Ma'am Jen. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Jenny Maghay, 36 years old. I am married. I have two children. Their ages is 12 years old and 10 years old. One girl and one boy. I am a college graduate. I finished my 2 years Ladrise course, which is caregiving management. I live in Sitio Tubigan, Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City. I have no brothers, with 5 sisters, and I am the fourth in the family. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. Then, how would you describe yourself?
I am a reliable person, cheerful, always happy, and honest.
Okay. And then, why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad to help my family, especially financial, and so that my kids can finish their schooling.
Okay. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience abroad. I worked for 6 years in Hong Kong, 2 years from my previous employer, and 4 years on my latest.
Okay. So, in your first employer, what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
I work for them in taking care of 2 adults like grandma and grandpa. I go market, I cook for them and make them, especially the grandpa, I took them shower.
So, you took care of elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. How about in your second employer?
In my second employer, I took care of 2 children. The ages when I come to their home is 3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. So, in 6 years in Hong Kong, 2 years contract and 4 years contract, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished all my contract with a good reference background.
Okay, thank you. Then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am very willing to care.
Okay. Then, how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Since I have experience with kids, I can manage their tantrums. Like, I will ask them what they want, make them happy, and give them the patience that they need.
Okay. Then, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
When the newborn baby is crying at night, I will check if the diaper is wet or anything that she needs, like maybe she is hungry. I will give the milk to her or him, and then I will nap together with the baby.
Okay. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
If I will be homesick, maybe I will make myself busy, or I don't think I will be homesick since I have 6 years experience already in Hong Kong.
Okay. Then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I am not scared of dog or cat because I have the cat pet in our house.
Okay. Then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I do a lot of cooking like Chinese food, Filipino food, Western food, and whatever the kids ask me to cook.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am, I don't have any food allergy.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am, I can eat everything.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have a full consent.
Okay. Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, I'm not smoking.
Do you have any body tattoo?
I have, but not visible.
Okay. Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. For the last question, Ma'am Jen, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am. I am Jenny Maghay, 36 years old, with 2 children, married, I hope you choose me as your employee. I am a very honest person, reliable, I can work under pressure, and even without supervision, I can manage to work without even without your I promise I will finish my 2 years contract, and if you are willing to extend it, then I will very much thankful for it. Thank you, ma'am.